Welcome back to the channel. In this video, Emma and I are going to be starting on the exterior of the van. As you can see, it's in pretty poor shape cosmetically with plenty of dents and dings. The first job to do was to go around with a marker pen and mark up all of the dents ready for repair. This was just so we didn't miss any, as there were a lot of small marks that could have easily been missed.
I just circling around it?
Yeah.
That bit?
Yeah.
It's good sharpie this.
It's not sharp as well.
It's hard, isn't it?
Yeah. It's easier around the other side.
Oh, big one there. That's bright. That one?
Yeah, I don't need to circle that. I can definitely see that.
That bit?
So down there, yeah. It's a weird little bit, isn't it?
Look at that sun reflecting on the thing. It's well bright.
Some of them I'm going to try and pull out, so that one I'm going to like glue a thing on and try and pull it out.
Not actually as many as I thought there was.
A lot of them will take like 2 minutes to repair. Like even that, it's just a skin of filler and a sand.
It's alright, isn't it? Bit shitty. As in, poo shitty.
Yeah, there's a few on the bonnet, I think, but I can't really do the bonnet until I've moved it back anyway, so I'll probably focus on the back and the sides. You kind of have to go up and down and like move around weirdly. There's nothing major. That's a bit of a mess, but that's not even major. Fix that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Good spot.
It's a bit hard. See, it's locked.
These scratches and stuff, I'll just fill them and stuff anyway, but
Woo.
Steady.
Are you doing that big one at the back?
Which one?
Door, top of the door.
Yeah, the one I've marked.
Oh yeah.
Something on the bottom. It's hard to see, isn't it? With all the dents marked up, I attempted to pull a few of the bigger dents out by using some hot glue. The idea here is to pull the dent out and have the metal pop back into its original shape. As it happens though, this panel had previously been repaired with a skim of filler, so this technique didn't work for this one. On some of the other panels it did help, but they still needed a skim of filler to get them perfect. This panel had come loose from the inner rib of the van, so was moving around as you can see. So what I did here was pump some expanding foam into the panel to help it hold its shape better and glue it back to the rib of the van. In the next video, I'll begin to work on filling all of the dents and damage on the bodywork. As always, thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and I'll see you in the next one.